I saw you front row, and my heart stopped at the sight. Thought you were solo, but you got a girl though, and my life ain't been the same. Been feeling, only feel sexy weak. Was blowing up my phone, they just hate you. Oh baby, I'm meant to be on my own, but just before I go, there's something you should know. And boy, I fantasize about it all the time. If you were mine, I give this pussy to you 9 to 5, 5 to 9. Truly hate what I'm feeling, some type of way that just ain't me. A few months later, you're still together, and you just can't tell me why. Why? The boys are pretending, 'cause I won't keep waiting. I'm out the door, bye bye bye. Been feeling, only feel sexy weak. Was blowing up my phone, they just hate you. Oh baby, I'm meant to be on my own, but just before I go, there's something you should know. And boy, I fantasize about it all the time. If you were mine, I give this pussy to you 9 to 5, 5 to I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. But I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen it.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
I'm gonna sing for everybody. Are you guys ready?
araw kami natin di na namamalayan. Ito tayo bumalik sa huli. Palagi babalik-balik sa'yo hanggang sa huli. Palagi ibigin mo mag-isip. Di na iyo ako. Daan pa kayo. When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway like a lady ocean hugs the shore. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, baby, stay with me. When we dance, you have a way with me, sway with me, stay with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, deep, but my eyes will see only you. Oh! Mamas ko na lang ako sa inyo, okay? Mamas ko na lang po ako sa inyo po. Handa na po ba kayo po lahat? Tok, 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 tok. Namamas ko po. Namamas ko po. Namamas ko po. Di ba bang namamas ko po muna? Namamas ko po ako. Kung kailan pinakamadilim ang mga tala ay mas nagniningning, gaano man kakapal ang ulan, sa likod nito ay may liwanag. Ang dalangin na ito ay nasa ating lahat, may sinag ang bawat pusong bukas sa lilim ng mga yakap. Naghihilom ang lahat ng sugat, ang nagsilbi nitong ilaw. Yung gagawin ko na lang po pala ay famous acting lines. Acting Pinoy lines movie.
As much as we despise conflicts in real life, we love watching them unfold on screen. Liza Sobrano,
Isa lang! Isa! Tagal-tagal na nun!
pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa rin!
That was just one mistake! Isa lang!
Isa!
Lasing ako noon.
Lintik na palusot yun. Kahit lasing ka, alam mo ang ginagawa mo.
Kaya nga, nag-sorry kagad ako sa'yo noon, di ba? Kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, I was wrong. Nagkamali ako. Nasaktan kita.
Okay, alam ko na to. Ano yung movie nila? Ang pangalan niya? Ano yung movie, guys? Search ko yung script. Kasi nararamdaman ko na eh. Kaisa! Kidalawa! Babigay po nung music. May X and Y's. Script. Okay na. Script reading po muna tayo. Ay, hindi. Actually, sa start ko na po. Okay na. Okay na po. Background music, please. May hawak lang po akong script po ah. Sorry po. Sad music breakup song. Instrumental. I'm ready. Oh my God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun! Pero yung matagal na yun, andito pa rin! It's just one mistake, Kali! Isa lang! Isa, dalawa, tatlo, pareho lang yun! Humatol ka pa rin sa iba! Lasing ako nun! Lintik na palusot yan! Kahit lasing ka, alam mo ang ginagawa mo! Nag-sorry agad ako sa'yo nun, di ba? Kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, I was wrong! Nagkamali ako! Nasaktan kita! Nasaktan? Kayong mga lalaki, akala nyo ang babae kayo, ano? Pag nang babae kayo, nasasaktan nyo lang ako. Makikipag-tsak-tsakan lang kayo, tapos ini-expect nyo, iiyak lang kami. Itutulog lang namin yung sakit, tapos paggising okay na. Yun ang pangarap namin. Sana nga ganun lang kadali, pero hindi. Walang tigil ang takbo ng utak namin. Pinipilit sagutin ang maraming tanong, bakit niya kaya ginawa yun? Am I not enough? May kulang ba sa akin? May mali ba sa akin? Bakit ba ako? Bakit ba ang katawan ko? Palit-palit ba ako? No! Then why? Bakit mo ko nagawang lokohin? Alam mo kung bakit ganun kahirap ang magtiwala ulit, Gio. But yet, I trusted you. Because you promised. Nangako ka na hindi mo ako sasaktan. Nangako ka. Para mo akong pinatay nun, Gio. Hindi makakain, hindi makakilos, hindi makausap hanggang isang araw nagising na lang ako. Wala na ang scholarship ko. Doble kayod si Mami kasi ayaw na kaming pitigiling magkapatid. Pero kopas, kapos pa din eh. Lipat bahay, Tita Libby to the rescue. Ngayon pa lang ako sisimulang makabawi kasi dumating ka na naman. Next movie.
Dalawa, tatlo, pareho
Ikaw
lang
na.
yun. Sumasaw ka pa rin sa iba.
Lasing ako noon.
Diba?
Lintik
Gayang-gaya.
na palusot yun. Kahit lasing ka. Anak ko siya.
A Love Untold.
Ito guys.
And